In this video, we look into forecast. We have the following data from 1st November 2021 to 10th November. We have got the profits from 1st November 2021 to 5th November 2020, which are 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Now we have to forecast from 6th November 2020. What will be the profits? So for 6th November 2021, we'll give the formula here in the forecast column, equal to forecast, and this is the x value we have to choose, because from 6th November we need the data, and known y values, that is the profits, is the profits from B2 to B6, comma, and known x values are the dates from B2 to B6. Close the brace, press enter. So we got for 6 the value is 60. So if we just drag this, so we get 60, 70, 80, 90. That's how we can use this forecast function to predict the values in future. Now let us see how we can calculate the forecast graphically. Let me delete this column. We'll calculate it again. Forecast. So here I can create a graph here. And click on this insert. Let's select this data. Click on insert. Click on line chart. Let us select the line chart here. So now you can see that's from 1 to 10 are there in the axis, from 0 to 60 on the y axis. So we got data up to, so we got these points 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is a linear graph. We have taken this simple data so that to clearly understand how the data is going. So this is a linear graph. Now let us select this data again and go to the data and then forecast sheet. So we got this forecast sheet now. Forecast end would be 10th of November. This to 10th of November 2021. So this is growing linearly 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So it will be 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. It went up to 100. And there are options here. Click on the options. Forecast start is 5th of November. Confidence interval is 95%. So seasonally it is detecting automatically. It has got the timeline range and then value range automatically selected because we have selected in the Excel sheet itself. So it has reflected that. And we can now create. Click on create. Now we have got this graph and we have this created here. This is 5th of November is 50, 6th of November 70, 80, 90, 100. This is the forecast of profits, and we have these confidence intervals. You can see the confidence bound, lower confidence bound profits and upper confidence bound. Because this is a linear graph showing it as 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, same as here. So if it is fluctuating, then they will be showing some confidence level difference. So here I drag this up, you can see this has gone up to, this is the forecast. This blue color is the actual values, is up to 50. This is forecast. This orange color is forecast, which is going up to 100. Because we have calculated till 10th of November. So each day it is increasing by 10. So from 5th to 10, it is increased by, it will increase by 50 more. It has reached up to 100. So that is how it is showing this forecast. So this is how we can graphically check this forecast and see how the data is moving. Now let us change the data a bit and then we'll see. Let's change this to 3 to 4. This is to 1. Then this is in 5. So this is not linear. Now let's see. Let us calculate in the similar way like this. Now insert. I'll insert this graph. So we have got this data like this here. Now we want to know what is it for 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Select this data. Now click on this data and click on forecast sheet. So you can see forecast and should be 10th. Let us select 10th. Options would be the same. We're not changing any of the options. Then we'll click on create. So it has created this forecast. On 6th it is 2.1, on 7th it is 1, on 8th it is minus 0.01, 9th it is minus 1.1, on 10th it is minus 2.1. So similarly we got the graph here too. We drag this, you can see these are the blue line is the actual profits, forecast profits is the orange line. These are lower confidence level and upper confidence. You can see this dark line is the actual forecast. This is the lower confidence level and this is the upper confidence. So you can see these values got plotted here in the graph. So that is how we can calculate the forecast using graphical method. We can add data labels here. Let me now, you click here chart elements and you can add the data labels. So now you can see the values here. Let me drag this a little bit. So now you can see these values 2.1, 1.0, minus 0.0, minus 1.1, minus 2.1. The blue color is profits. This orange color is forecast of profits, and this light orange is lower confidence level and upper confidence level for these two lines. Now let us change the chart type and see. So right click here and change chart type. Here you can choose a bar or a column. Let us choose the column. Click OK. So here you can see these are the columns. You can see blue is the actual and forecast profits. Orange is the forecast profits. You can see this here, this and upper lower confidence bound and upper confidence bound. So we can change the chart type, and then we can see in different chart types how the data looks. Now let us try a trend line. So if I select this here, this is the chart elements I clicked on, and then I'm selecting the trend line of profits. Okay, so you can see this trend line. This is falling down, the profits are falling down.